religion.
No, it's not.
Sun is for everyone.
Yes, it's for everybody.
Moon is for everybody.
So Manglik is a planet that is called Mars in Hindi also. Now, if it sits in a position of a person's 12th house, like if it's in a 12th house, if it's in the 1st house, if it's in the 4th house, if it's in the 7th house, if it's in the 8th house, it affects relationships with anybody. So they do say, yes, do Manglik and Manglik get married? Yes, they can, but yet they could be very deadly combination because you need to see other couples. I have seen that the male is Manglik and the female is Manglik, but they were very, very bitter to each other and made it very difficult their life. They did go through a divorce. It took 10 years to get the divorce from each other, but it was such a bitter because each other was so strong that wanted to punish each other.
Oh my God.
So they went through a very difficult and ugly divorce. So there are combinations that people tell me, oh Himali ji, can Manglik get married? Yes. Is it 100%? No. You still need to see overall what is in the planet. Yes.
So I mean, if both of them they are Manglik, and it's not necessary that they should.
Yes, they should. No,
get married.
You have to still see the matching of the rest of the planet, which does it make them. Total match that we say is 36. So anything above 19, we say yes.
Like gun milne chahiye.
Yes, the matchmaking should. Right. And I have seen many times that my guru will say yes, even if they meet up to 3 to 4 points. He will say yes. That Bhagwan ki kirpa hota hai. That means higher powers has said yes.
Okay.
So then they get married. So if your guru has told you yes, get married, you will be happy and you do not need to worry.
Perfect. Friends, this is a live program. Every Friday you see us from 6:30 to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Himali ji is here to answer your one question related with your health, business and your personal life. So after reading the horoscope, you can ask your one question. So Himali ji, today is the Friday 13th.
Yes, today is Friday the 13th.
So it should be very scary, Friday 13th.
No. I think I have said to program before, some things are just a myth. It doesn't exist, and some things are. So the number 13 is not a bad luck. So Friday 13, viewers, it is not a bad luck day. It is a good day.
Wow.
So we will talk about superstition,
yes,
like some other program, and let you know what yes and what is not.
True.
And some things yes is good luck, some things are not good luck.
Okay, sure.
For example, people say walking under a ladder is bad luck. Technically, it's not a bad luck, but it's bad luck if something falls on you from it. So walking under the ladder is not. Breaking a mirror, yes, it is a bad luck. That is a bad luck. If you say you break the mirror, you have the mirror and you broke it, yes. Is it for 7 years or no?
I mean, if you break it personally, or it gets break?
How will it just break? You have to find out how did it just crack and break.
Oh.
It is a bad luck.
So that means some negativity attacked on it?
Sometimes, yes. So you have to see breaking the mirror, yes, bad luck. Is it for 7 years? No, that's part of it.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Aries, this is a mixed week for you. Health-wise, you'll be good. Students will do. Financially, you'll be a little tight. If you are doing your own business, it is a very good time for you. If you're working for your boss, it is also a very good time for you. You will get recognized for what you're doing. But financially, you'll be a little tight because Aries do tend to spend more money than they should. So please keep a budget. Monday is a good day for you. Taurus, this is a good week for you. Health-wise, you'll be good. Financially, you'll be good. If you are working for someone, if you are in like computers, engineering, this is an excellent week for you. Students will do well. They'll get good news. Thursday is a good day for them. Gemini, this is a mixed week for you. Things will be moving a little slow, especially at workplace. So if you're trying to change job, this is a little slow week for you. Health-wise, you'll be good. Financially, you'll be good. Students will do well, and Friday is a good day for you. Cancer, this is a mixed week for you. You will get a lot of disturbing news from friends and family and a loved one that can make you sad. Children will give you a good news. Health-wise, you'll be good. Financially, you'll be a little tight. If you are doing your own business, this is a good time for you. Monday is a good day. Leo, this is a good week for you. You will plan either going on a short trip, or loved one or significant might making a plan to come and see you. Business wise, you'll be good. Health wise, you'll be good. Students will have little difficulties in their studies, so please focus and concentrate. Tuesday is a good day for you. Virgo, this is a mixed week for you. Things will delay in the beginning of the week. Things might pick up at the end. Financially, you'll be okay. Health-wise, you need to take care of your health. You might have little difficulties then. If you are working for your boss, you need to really be careful that this week, whatever project you are supposed to do, please get it done, because it could delay and cause problem at workplace. Students, this is a good week for you. Sunday is a good day for you. Libra, this is a mixed week for you. Things will be moving little slow and little up and down. Financially, you'll be good. This is also a very good time to spend more time with friends and family. You will get good news from your dad or your mother this week that you will feel very happy. Health-wise, you'll be good. Students will do well. Thursday is a good day for you. Scorpio, this is a good week for you. Mentally, you'll be relaxed. Financially, you'll be good. Job-wise, you will do good. So if you're waiting for any kind of job proposal or pending work, this is a very good time for Scorpios. If you're doing your own business, it might be a little slow time for you. You need to take that in consideration. Friday is a good day for you. Sagittarius, this is a good week for you. If you are planning for any kind of new event, job, or any kind of party or any kind of, it is a good time for you. If you're thinking of getting married, this is also a very good time for Sagittarius. Monday is a good day for you. Capricorn, this is a mixed week for you. You will feel little rejected from your family or a loved one. Don't worry. Financially, you'll be good. If you're doing your own business, this is a good time for you. Students will have little difficulties in study. You need to take care of that. If you are thinking of changing job, this is a good time for you. Sunday is a good day for you. Aquarius, this is a mixed week for you. You will feel like a lot of things that are pending that are not getting done. It will slow down for you. Financially, you'll be good. Health-wise, you'll be good. You might have little difficulty with a friend or a loved one or a neighbor. You need to be careful with that. Students will do good. Saturday is a good day for you. Pisces, this is a good week for you. A lot of challenging work will be happening. Job-wise, you'll be good. Health-wise, you'll be good. Financially, you'll be good. Students will do well. Saturday is a good day for you.
That was wonderful. Himali ji, why I mentioned being a Manglik and how to find out that the partner is Manglik before we get the horoscope done or before we fall into any relationship. Friends, again, this is a live program. You can ask your one question. In the meanwhile, I have something to ask from Himali ji. So Himali ji, recently a married couple who were married for 10 years, they found that the wife was strong Manglik. They were going through a painful marital relationship and they have a child together. Now they have applied for the divorce, but they are seeking for some kind of possibilities if they can save their marriage.
Yes, they can. If they both say they want to save their marriage.
Being other partner Manglik.
Yes, being that the partner is Manglik, they want to save their marriage. There is so many things they can do.
Okay.
If the female is Manglik, so we have to do a Mangal Puja and give her mantras to do, puja to do, to Shanti that planet.
Okay.
And it's only for a short period of time.
Okay.
Like I have said before in the program, Manglik finishes at the age of 33.
Okay.
And some people, if they finishes at the age of 33 and then they came into a Saturn period, that also creates a problem for those people too. So you really need to see the horoscope. I advise people to do puja, whatever treatment is to be done before the marriage, then after the marriage. These people are very good if they're willing to cooperate with each other. Then there are certain times I will ask them to maybe stay away from each other. They can stay in the same house but not interact with each other so much.
Okay.
Because what happens, they can get irritated quickly with each other.
True.
That's
what's happening to them. Yes.
So I will ask them, like, you know, maybe do 2-shift job.
Okay.
One do it in the morning, see less of each other.
Okay.
Be under the same roof. You do have a child, so you can't say one, you know, it's very easy to say, okay, you go out, leave the house. No,
Right.
they should stay there.
Okay.
And they realize they have a problem.
Right.
So what they can do is either one take a night shift, one take a day shift, or one stays out of each other's way for this period of time to pass over.
Okay.
As soon as that done, things will get better with them. There's also puja they can do, there's also mantras they can do, and there's also, you have to see what combination of the planet is making that planet so aggressive that they get angry. Can they wear any stones? Yes.
Oh.
What stones they can wear? Meditations. I feel if you go into bhakti, if you go into meditation, you go into spiritualism, then all your problem becomes minimum.
Okay.
And you can raise yourself so high that nothing will matter to you.
True.
And you won't get irritated, you won't get angry. You're much calmer as a person.
Yes.
So it is so important that if people go into spiritualism, and that's got to do with all religion or any religion.
Right.
Religion has nothing got to do with spiritualism,
Right.
because spiritualism unites us. Religions like divide us, that I feel.
That's
So if you go spiritually, you will have the capability within yourself to forgive one, to understand one, and to let go of your anger that you have inside of you. If I understand, I know why Shelly is getting angry, I won't feel mad with you anymore.
Right.
So I have to have the ability to know why she irritated,
Right.
why is she mad.
Right.
And I feel when you had became married, I feel you should work on your marriage to the last thing that you can do, especially when there's kids involved.
Right. So let's take the call. Hello. They were waiting since long, so you can call us again. Good evening, ITV Live.
Hi, I'm calling for, her name is Prabjot, and her date of birth is February 1st, 1988. She's married to one of my relative in India.
Okay, where was Prabjot
I
born?
wanted to know, she's in the process of, she and my relative is in the process of divorce.
Okay.
Do you know when she will give my relative divorce?
All right, where was Prabjot born?
Yeah, the relative is my doctor.
No, I know she's your
The date of
relative.
birth is
कहाँ की उसकी जन्म हुआ? Where was she
February
born?
15, 1988. They are married almost 2 years, but they're not getting along.
Where is Prabjot born? Where
She is born in India, I think Delhi.
Delhi. Okay.
And what is her husband name?
Manpreet,
And his date of birth, do you know?
February 15, 1988.
And he was also born in India,
Yes,
Delhi. And when was the marriage date that they
that
got
was
married?
November 9, 2 years ago,
3 years ago.
2013.
When was the marriage date?
November 9,
November 9.
2013.
November 9th?
Yeah, she filed.
2013.
Brother, he filed for divorce, but she is like taking. I want to know how long she will take to give him divorce.
Okay. They both are in. People don't like to be told what to do. They both are individual, independent people. They don't want to be told what to do. She is. I don't want to take sides, but the date of birth you're giving me, she is a very good person. He's going to give her a lot of hard time. Is that correct?
I'm sorry, he is.
जो लड़का है वो उसे तंग करता है ज्यादा, लड़की जो है वो अच्छी है.
हाँ, एक्चुअली लड़का जो है वो एक्चुअली बहुत मूडी है और
Yeah.
तो लड़की वो एक्चुअली मैं उनके साथ नहीं रहती हूँ, पर वो कहती है कि वो मुझे बहुत तंग करता है. तो उसने
Yes,
कितनी
this
बार
is what I'm telling you.
कितनी
Yeah.
घर से वो चली गई और पुलिस वगैरह भी बुलाई.
वही मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि लड़के की तरफ से बहुत प्रॉब्लम है.
Right.
And the girl is good, she's not a bad girl, but the boy is the problem. If they have already did the divorce by 2016, next year after March, they're going to start becoming their own way. After March 2016, I don't see them anymore communicating. It will come to agreement.
हाँ जी, 2016 मार्च तक फिर हो जाएगा, डिवोर्स हो जाएगा.
ठीक है. वो बोल रहा था कि वो भी मंगलिक है, वो मंगलिक है.
लड़का?
मनप्रीत जो है उसको दोबारा शादी कब करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि वो बोल रहा था कि वो मंगलिक है, उसने पता किया था.
Alright, so because she's already got married, that Mangal Asar has finished, so now anytime she can get married, it's not a problem.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Good evening, ITV Live.
Hello, can I speak to Aniji?
Yes, hello.
Hello. My birth date is November 14, 1973.
1973. And what's your name?
Starts with R.
Okay, where were you born?
Kerala, India.
What is your question?
I'm trying to. I had applied a lot of jobs in Houston, and I'm not getting any calls regarding the job.
When was the last time you're in IT?
No, I'm in accounting.
Accounting. And when was the last time you had a job?
I'm still working.
Okay, because I feel you are working, that's why I asked. So you're doing part-time, but you're working and you want to know when you're going to get a change of job?
No, actually we are trying to relocate, so I'm trying to apply in a different state, but I didn't get any luck so far.
It should be any day you wait. If it hasn't happened by the 15th of this month, if it doesn't happen by the 15th of November, definitely by March you're going to hear, and you are going to move out of state.
All right, it will be a good job, right?
Well, that you have to, do a whole horoscope reading for be able to tell if it's a good or bad.
Okay.
But what I can tell you, the Prashan Kundaliki time, so you asked me, you'll definitely get a job out of state and you will move.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. It's very hard to give a whole reading on a one Prashan Kundalini time. If you really want to know what is everything good, go to your Panditji or go to anyone that you feel comfortable. They can come to me too and get a full individual reading. What is a good time? What is a good prediction? But with this, the time she asked, she's definitely getting out of New York.
It's just getting the scanning of different body parts.
Yeah.
So then only we'll be able to guide them, right?
Yes.
True. So let me take another call. Good evening, ITV Live.
Yeah, good evening.
Yes.
I'm waiting for a live show.
Yes, this is the live show. You can ask me a question. आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name?
It got disconnected.
It's very difficult sometimes because of the noise for people to hear. But I always suggest people to ask me one particular question, and it will be more accurate reading.
Yes, friends, once again it's a request. You can come up with one question related with you or either of your family member, but you must have their name, date of birth, place of birth. That makes us more comfortable or more easy. It's more easy.
It's easy.
It's going to be more accurate.
It's accurate because it is answered by Prashan Kundalini.
True.
And it is very difficult to give a whole detailed reading on a person.
Let us take another call. Good evening, ITV Live.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. I want to ask my question.
What is your name?
My name is Versa, but my question is for my daughter.
Okay.
What is your daughter's name?
Tara.
Her date of birth?
20 December 87.
1987?
Yeah.
Where was she born?
India, Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad.
What is your question for her, please?
My question is, she is trying here for her residency program. So she got only one interview. So whether she will get it, her residency here, and when she will get it.
Okay, she will definitely get her residency. She will definitely get the residency. This year looks bit difficult. Next year she will get her residency.
Like 2016?
Yes.
Because her result will come in March only, 19th March. But
Yeah.
she has to apply this year.
She has to apply this year, but
No.
She has already applied from 15th of September, and she has given some interviews.
I don't see any news, anything this year, Behen. After March next year, you will get any news for her residency. Before that, I don't see any yes.
But March only. Her result will come in March only.
Yes, so she's going to get after that, not before that.
Yeah.
Okay.
hello ITV Live.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, I have a question about my son,
What is your son's name?
Avneet Singh.
Avneet Singh. What is his
Date of birth?
He is born in 1988, 11th October 1988 in Fiji Islands.
And what is your question for him?
My question for him is like, I want to know, is he Manglik or not, and when is he going to get married?
Oh.
Okay, to know if he's Manglik, I have to see his horoscope to see when he's going to, if he's Manglik or not. You have to see what position his horoscope is. But how old is this boy? How old is your son?
He's 27.
From the when he just turned 27, correct?
Yeah, in October 11th he turned 27.
For his
Yeah.
marriage, after he turns 28, then his marriage time will begin. You still have 1 more year to go for him. Okay, Miss Singh, 1 more year before his marriage yoke starts.
Good evening ITV Live. Hello. Let me take the last call. Good evening ITV Live.
Hello, good night.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello,
Yes.
good night. Good night.
Good night. Is this a question for you?
I want to for my son,
What's your son's name?
Suraj Lakshman,
And what is his date of birth?
2008. Suraj Lakshman,
Okay, what is his date of birth? What is Suraj's date of birth?
August 2008.
What is it?
17th August 2008.
13th August.
13th of August?
Yeah,
Okay, 13th August 2008. And where was he born?
Guyana. 17th August.
17th of August. Alright. What would you like to
Guyana.
ask about him?
Yeah.
He's 7 years old, so what would you like to ask about him?
I want to find out how sometimes here they're normal, sometimes here,
He gets sometimes very angry
yes.
and he's very stubborn. He doesn't like to take no for an answer.
Yeah,
Sometimes
yeah.
Miss Lakshmi, sometimes he feels like he will eat, sometimes he doesn't want to eat.
No, you don't want to eat.
There is some negative thing with this boy since he was like 3-4 years old. After the age of 5, something's been with him, and that's why it makes him very angry sometimes, very moody at times, and he doesn't feel like eating. And sometimes he can say he want to be left alone, no one should talk to him. You have to get him little bit help, because if you don't, he will have problem with his anger and his development as he grow older. So either you can take him to some spiritual person or you can bring him to me, then I will tell you what you need to do for him, so then he can become calm and he will become good.
Oh my God. Wow. Can we take one more call? No. So friends, you can definitely make an appointment and meet Himali ji in person. She has her spiritual center. It is located in New York, South Richmond Hill, 131-14 101 Avenue, South Richmond Hill. And also in New Jersey, which is 1717 JFK Boulevard, New Jersey. And friends, from my side, it's like, see you next week at 6:30 Friday Eastern Standard Time. So Himali ji, any message for the viewers?
I want to wish everyone a very, very healthy and happy weekend. But I pray to Ma for a healthy one. And I ask everyone, please, don't get angry, don't get irritated. You can control yourself. I always tell people we are not responsible for our feelings, because we are human, we can get any kind of feeling, but we are responsible for our action that we do. So feelings we need to control, good or bad, we need to control them, as the action will follow with it. So we need to control that action too. We are not responsible for our feeling because it happens, but we are responsible for our action. And I tell people, when you are angry and when you're in love, you make wrong decision. So please, when you're angry or in your love, don't make any decision. Ask your guru, ask your mother, ask your father, ask your big sister, brother, and make a decision then. Thank you.
Spirituality is the medium
That's how
which frees our mind of all emotional shackles and temptations and guides us towards enlightenment and peace. Himali Spiritual Center is the gateway to liberation from pain, misery and suffering. Here, through religion, meditation, yoga, worship and gem therapy, all troubles are treated. Himali Spiritual Center, 718-887-2929.